In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Instagram on Windows 11. So first, open any browser like Chrome. After that, search for Instagram. Open Instagram website. And here you see this icon. Just click on this. And here is a pop-up to install Instagram. Just click on install and you get the app. Now click on this. And there is second option also to install Instagram. Just click on these three dots. Just click on these three dots. Scroll down and tap on this cast, save and share, and here is the option install Instagram. Click on it and here you get the pop-up to install Instagram. Just click on install and the app is installed. So in this way you can easily install Instagram on Windows 7. Thanks for watching. Please